Sri Guru Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Now in this lesson, electric charge and electric current, we are going to see the next topic is advantages of AC over DC. So we have learned about what is AC and what is DC and what is current, isn't it? So you know the DC means it will flow only in a one direction. AC means it will keep on change direction due to the potential is varies between the high and low. Okay, so due to that AC and DC are there. Even though there are some advantages is present between the AC and DC. So let me read now. The voltage of AC is varied. Okay, due to the changing of current, it can be varied. So that easily using a device. So this variation helps. Okay, how do we can make the variation? By using the device called transformer. So with the help of the transformer, can make the variation in the AC current. Then AC can be carried over a long distance. So after a long distance, on particular distance, DC can travel. So after then, it is impossible to make the current to flow in the other places after long distance. But in the case of AC, for a long distance, we can make it to flow by using the step-up transformer. So when you carry the current to the longer distance, nothing will happen. There is no loss of energy. Completely, it is negligible. So easy. So compared to DC, AC can vary by using a transformer, can take to a longer distance also. So when you are taking that, we can, nothing changes will happen, no loss of energy. Electrical energy will never lose while you are transferring the AC current to a longer distance. Okay, now direct current cannot be transmitted as such. So it can be transmitted within a short places, short circuit, okay. But it is impossible to carry to a longer distance like AC. The AC can be easily converted into DC. So as by using a device like an inverter or a rectifier, we can convert the current, no. So in the conversion of DC, okay, DC and AC is easier than DC. The AC can produce electromagnetic inductions. So these are the advantages are present in the AC current. So when you come, okay, AC means can transmit or can transfer by using a transformer, and for longer distance it can be transmitted, but loss of energy is negligible. Here, what is the advantage of DC? No, we can do the process of electroplating. So through the electric process, we can take electroplating, then electro-refining and electrotyping. These are the process can be easy by using the DC current. And most important, the storage of electricity. Okay, very easy in the case of DC current only. So in the DC can store electricity safely. Okay, so we have seen about advantage of AC and DC. So in general, we know about electricity. To some extent, it is danger. Even though we need all these appliances to work, and we are completely dependent on these technologies. No, so some dangers are there in electricity, and how do we can take necessary step to prevent from the dangerous? No, dangers of electricity and precaution to be taken. First is damaged insulation. You know, insulator is a bad conductor, it will never conduct the current. Okay, so do not touch the bare wire, use safety gloves and stand on insulating stool or rubber slippers while handling electricities. So in case any wire have been damaged, means while you are using, should use the stool or rubber when you are using the electricity. Then overload of power sockets. Do not connect too many electrical devices. So within a one plug point through the extension box, we should not connect more appliances in that. So it will become overloaded. So what will happen? No, there are chances to become a short circuit. So overloading should be avoided. So because it will make a single electrical sockets. Then inappropriate use of electrical appliances. So we need to plug the appliances with the correct places. Always use the electrical appliances according to the power rating. So fridge means it should plug only in the 3 pin usage. For AC means there is special sockets are there. So according to that, we have to give a proper connection to all the electrical appliances. Okay. Environment with moisture and dampness, which means water. Moisture means water content which is present in the environment. So we have to arrange all the electrical appliances in a home. No, so we need to check whether the place will always be in a wet condition, which means water will be there in the place. So keep the place where there is electricity of moisture and wetness is not there, because if there is a leakage, if there is a wetness is present in the place, means what will happen? No, there is a possibility of leakage of current. So to avoid that, we have to check before arrange all the electrical appliances in our home. Then beyond the reach of children, the electrical sockets are to be kept away from the reach of little children who do not know the danger of electricity. So it is our responsibility. We know the level of switches, whether it can be reach our children or not. So according to that, we have to set this such a electrical dangerous things. Okay. Thank you, children. We'll see you on next video. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.